Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to remove space in a cell. So as example I will type Mufasu cat and you can copy. You can click from this point to the bottom here. The next I will create space in this word. And now if you want to remove space in this cells, you can select and then go to find select, click on replace. The next you can set find what with space and then replace with blank. You can click replace all, click OK, and it will be automatically remove space in a cell. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to remove space in a cell. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.